Here's another bridge master deal, level 2, A-20. Your contract is 6 hearts by south, and you can only lose 1 trick. Opponents have led a jack of spades, so straight away you can see that you have one potential loser in spades, another potential loser in clubs. All right. Actually, you have more than one potential loser in clubs. You have actually 3 potential losers in clubs, provided if you cannot, if you are not able to rough them in the dummy. Okay, so let's try something that seems pretty obvious. Okay, you try this one. And of course, the finesse being a 50-50 chance, you could lose it, and you have. All right, and of course, then you lose this trick. That won't do. So in fact, given that you are practically certain to lose a spade trick if you play straightforwardly for finesse, and you lose it, right? You need to try a more certain way. Okay, so here's one possible way. Your diamond suit is actually good, except for the lack of a king diamond. So if the king diamond is out, you can actually use the rest of the diamond suit to discard every single other loser in your hand. So how could you do that? Okay, let's try this. Right, it starts off like that. Draw trumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 4 trumps out there. Let's see how many times it takes to draw. Okay, you need to draw one more. Okay, now you have an entry into dummy, so that's really precious. So what you want to do now is make sure to take care of the king of diamonds. Now, if you now subsequently play queen of diamonds, if you're covered from the east by the king of diamonds, you can rough, and then the remainder diamonds are good. What happens if the king of diamonds is in west? Well, you were going to lose the spade trick anyway. So if east doesn't cover, you can discard the 2 of spades. And the king comes out. And now the rest of your diamonds are good, but you no longer have a spade loser. Right? So this is called a loser on loser play. You play out the queen and you discard the 2 of spades. The 2 of spades was a loser anyway, and you exchange basically a loser here for a loser here. All right, and the net result is all your remaining diamonds are good. And you have basically made your contract. Let's check this again. You can only afford 1 loser. All right, so you can get rid of all your club losers provided the king of diamonds is out, and you have almost certain loser in spades. So in this case, you are simply, first you clear trumps. Then all you do now, given that you have an entry to go back up to diamonds, is that you exchange a loser to the king of diamonds, provided, of course, it's not covered by the king. If it's covered by king, then of course you would rough, right? But in this case, the king didn't come out, so you exchange a loser in diamonds for a loser in spades. You still have 1 loser, but you have now put yourself in an advantageous position in which all your diamonds are good. See?